Hi lovely people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you all fine, enjoying your life well. In today's video we are hooking up a beautiful and adorable crochet baby skirts designs ideas. Hope so you like this video and different pattern, different collections. So please watch this video till end. And tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload the next video about your comment. Get ready to create a sweet and delicate garments for your little ones. These are amazing and comfortable. In this video we will be making a stylish and beautiful crochet baby skirts designs ideas. These are perfect for every occasion, everyday wear and different seasons. These skirts is sure to impress. Hope you like this video and different pattern ideas. So please watch this video till end without skip. And so let's get started. First let's start with the foundation chain. Next we will add some pattern and texture to shape the sleeves and to shape the waist belt. We will use different techniques and different patterns. Experiment with different yarn color and texture. Try using different stitches, pattern or baby skirts styles and size and waist belt. Add embellishments like bow, beads, pearls, stones, applique work and different iron stickers, pearls and different accessories you use and decor your skirts easily. And that's it. Your beautiful and lovely look crochet baby skirt is complete, ready to wear, ready to gift for your lovely ones, babies, little babies, for birthday parties, different occasion. Thanks for stitching along with me today. Do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for more crochet ideas, full tutorial and full detailed videos. If you want more information about crochet work and knitting work, so please watch my more different ideas till end without skip. See you in the next video. Hope you like this video and different pattern. Please be share your creativity with us on different social media account using hashtag. Check out our next more videos about crochet work and knitting work. And thanks for stitching along with me. If you want to see full tutorials, so please visit my channel. And if you want to buy this, you visit many different websites such as daraz.pk, aliexpress, etsy.com. Click here in my official website, be patron. You visit and order your favorite design and pattern ideas easily. Okay viewers, take care of yourselves. See you in the next video. Hope you like this all the pattern and different collection and different pattern ideas. Okay viewers, take care. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.